Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanking each one of you for logging in, for watching all the videos, for all your comments, for being so regular in your lifting your bar from strength to strength. Thank you once again. Always remember to press the bell icon, to subscribe, to like, to pass a word around about my videos on Bijal's YogDivine for those who you feel need it the most. Thank you. So many of us come up with excuses that we cannot do Kapalbhati, we cannot do our pranayams. There is absolutely no time. So here it is, the work Kapalbhati or the office Kapalbhati. Discontinue Kapalbhati in case you've already been doing it. Visualize yourself at work or in the car or on your office chair. You're alone and you're on a light stomach. Get comfortable with spine upright. Try not to take the support of the backrest of your chair. And without much preparation, which means don't start with ekdam inhale karke. Without much preparation, start exhale, 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 exhale in such a way that you pull your abdomen in. Exhale, 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 exhale. Visualize yourself at work, your office desk in front of you, or probably if you're a chef, the gas is in front of you and you're standing. You can stay with eyes open in Unmani also. And your tummy is light and you just suddenly want to have a surge of feeling rejuvenated. The work, the stresses, the situations in office occasionally, or even at work, at home, are stressing you. And you're just sitting on that office chair. And you're doing your Kapalbhatis. And these Kapalbhatis, you can pause, you can restart. You can go slow in Sukshma. You can go faster in Sthula. You can keep your eyes open, but make sure it's a mindless stare. A staff member or some colleague can come into your office and ask you something. Drag him also in, saying, come, do some Kapalbhati. How popularized has it become? Discontinue Kapalbhati. Discontinue. Notice how the tummy feels now. Check the entire abdomen. That was literally a no excuse Kapalbhati, a quick round. Whether we are standing, sitting, in the car being driven by a driver, just nothing around, watching TV, any situation, make sure spine is upright and do the office Kapalabhati. Now, we're going to do Kapalbhati with a count in reverse order once again. We're going to start with the number 176. And when we reach 100, we start with 99, which means we say 176, 175, 174, etc. So let's begin together. 176, Kapalbhati. Don't use a shortcut. Discontinue Kapalbhati. Tired in the tummy or not tired in the tummy? Only two, NT or TT. Notice how you feel on a physical level. Totally discontinue now. Kapalbhati count in a reverse order.